Este no es solo un sistema de defensa, es una idea que cambia el equilibrio de poder global. El S-400 no es solo tecnología.
Es poder fabricado que redefine el equilibrio mundial. Y lo hacemos solo aquí, en Global Arms Factory.
The target is accelerating. Confirm launch parameters.
Locked on. Preparing intercept sequence.
Check the intercept vector immediately. The S-400 is active.
Target locked. Engagement sequence initiated.
Отслеживание траектории. Цель активна, скорость увеличивается.
Параметры в норму, товарищ полковник.
Приготовиться к перехвату.
Rotate the system 90 degrees counterclockwise.
Look closely at the radar array. The target acquisition speed is remarkable.
These internal layers confirm the enhanced guidance package.
Yes, but the parts will say...
The power couple on the forward section seems vulnerable.
Look at how the launch tubes are integrated here.
Yes, the wiring harness on the targeting system is surprisingly vulnerable.
But only during the initial separation sequence.
The warhead segmentation reveals a new fusing mechanism.
But the guidance system still uses the 30P6S interface.
That makes this layer the primary vulnerability.
Доклад по цели.
Цель захвачена. Огонь. Координаты цели введены.
Выполнить пуск.
Zoom in on the launch tubes. We need to check the structural integrity here.
Look at the exploded view of the launcher components.
The wiring harness here is different from the previous iteration.
We should cross-reference that with the abstract diagrams.
Let's isolate the radar assembly. The heat signature here is critical.
Agreed. The cooling systems appear insufficient under sustained load.
Laser scan shows 0 deviation on the composite.
Caliper measurement aligns with the schematic.
It's approved.
The thickness here is exactly 42 millimeters.
And the surface roughness is within tolerance.
Check this seam right here. I'm getting an anomaly.
Confirmed. The gauge reading is fluctuating near the weld point. The alignment on section 4 looks good. Yes. Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
The alignment here seems off by 2 millimeters.
Let me check the schematics. The tolerance level allows for 1.5. We need an adjustment.
We need a micro adjustment on the starboard connection point.
Confirmed. The alignment is now within tolerance.
The integration point here requires fine adjustment based on the holographic stress visualization.
The robotic arm handled it well. The fit is perfect now.
Executing adjustment on sector Gamma. Verify stabilization.
Stabilization confirmed. Module operational.
Check the realignment data here, Colonel.
Realignment complete. Accuracy verified. All systems green.
Installation complete on Bay 3. Run diagnostics.
Scanning now.
Параметры в норме. Сектор чист.
Отлично. Продолжайте сканирование.
Launch sequence authorized. Intercept in 3, 2, 1. Splash. All targets neutralized.
Lower the component slowly. Watch the alignment.
It's seated. Start the hydraulic clamps on my mark.
The installation looks good. Proceed to checklist review.
Confirmed. Torque settings verified on all connectors.
Test sequence complete. All parameters nominal.
Good. Move it to the next stage.
Устойчивость падает. Корректировка в норме. Тест подтвержден. Цель захвачена. Параметры оптимальны. Записываю результаты. Запускаю симуляцию в экстремальных условиях.
Понял. Отслеживаю траекторию.
Тест пройден. Параметры в норме.
Trajectory holding steady through the ice cloud.
Confirmation received. Missile systems validated for extreme conditions. Log it.
Logging results.
Position, align connector 3.
Connector engaged. Sequence start. Green status on auxiliary power.
Final integration sequence initiated. T-minus 5.
Soy un chico de barrio. Salgo a pachanguear con mi jeva y a continuar bien duro. Pero por más que me apuro me dicen que no sé bailar. Discoro. El chico del área no sabe pachanguear.
Clamps are tight. Elevation sequence initiated.
Status green. Awaiting final authorization.
Secure the connector now, quickly. It's engaged. System green, all clear. Check the pressure gauges. Clear the stabilizers, move back. Hydraulics engaging, system armed. Çabuk olun, bağlantıya sağlayın.
Sistem hazır komutanım. Yükseltiliyor.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side. It's clear, Chief. We are securing the clamps now. Double check the hydraulics.
Lowering the canister to the launcher platform.
Confirmed. Alignment is green. Secure the hydraulics.
Slowly lower the tube. Watch the alignment markers.
Confirmed. Proceeding with securing the locks.
All right, slowly now. Settle it down.
Pin alignment looks good. Starting the torque sequence.
Final check on alignment, section Gamma 6.
Confirmed. All parameters nominal.
Good.
System is verified operational.
Caliper reading is spot on.
Elevation sequence complete. Pressure holding steady at 200 bar.
Acknowledged. System verified operational.
Final systems check shows green across the board. The hydraulic pressure is nominal.
Excellent. Proceed with the elevation test.
Final systems check is green across the board. The elevation sequence was flawless.
Confirmed. The S-400 is operational and ready for deployment.
Millimetric verification complete on the forward housing.
Acknowledged. The radar sweep is clear. Final review successful.
Laser alignment confirmed, within tolerance. Wiring harness and seal intact. Cross-ref complete.
The scan looks good, but let's double check the forward coupling. What's the micrometer reading? 2.05 millimeters. Perfect seal.
Final alignment check complete. All measurements verified.
Data confirms structural integrity.
System operational status? Green.
Muchos creen que las guerras empiezan cuando se dispara un arma, pero comienzan mucho antes. Lo que has visto no es solo un sistema de defensa, es poder fabricado, ingeniería convertida en disuasión. Aquí, la guerra no se libra con armas, se gana con estrategia. Esto es cómo se construye el poder. Este es el S-400. Esto es Global Arms Factory.